Are you final year PharmD student? Are you seeking for an internship opportunity? This video for you. Let's go to the details. Internship is a pre-step to start a good job career. And here the opportunity, Manipal Hospitals invites you for the internship opportunity. We are pleased to announce a minimum 3 months of internship opportunity for the PharmD final year students. This program requires no prerequisition and offers valuable experience in various clinical pharmacy activities. Key features of the internships: Internship Certificate, project work, Antimicrobial Stewardship program, case studies. Interested candidates are encouraged to apply by sending an email to clinicalpharmacist.mhvr@manipalhospitals.com. Place of internship: Manipal Hospitals, Varthur Road, Whitefield, Bangalore. Contact details 8848138457 and another number 7510291539. Hurry up to grab this opportunity. Thank you.